Do your perfume fade too fast, or do you feel like it costs a fortune for these perfumes nowadays? Wrong. You don't have to break the bank to smell good all day long. I'm telling you, you don't. Don't be fooled by what these beauty influencers tell you that, oh, you gotta go buy this designer, do that designer, and all that kind of stuff. No, baby. We gonna get into the tea, so you gonna be smelling good all day long on a budget. So just, if you like that kind of content, then stay tuned. So I have been where you are, where I couldn't find the good perfumes that last long, or just didn't have the right body care products, or just whatever the case might be for my stuff to last as long. I was buying the body sprays and it was not lasting, and I was just like fed up with it. So I was like, let me invest a little bit in some different products and see what I can make shake with my budget, because your girl was on a budget and needed to smell good at all times. So if you like that kind of content, I'm telling you, I got some tips and tricks that's going to help your stuff last for a long time and not break the bank. If you want to smell good on a budget, I got you. You're going to smell like luxury and not break the bank. That's a win-win for me. I know it is. But anyway, let's go ahead and get into this video, these hacks, these tips, these tricks that you need to know. So, tip number 1 that I got for you is apply to your pressure points. If you don't know what your pressure points is, I'm gonna put like a little chart here for you of your pressure points. But wait, yes, apply it to your pressure points, but I'm telling you, pair it with like an unscented lotion, or I don't even use Vaseline. I use more of like body oils and stuff like that you can find on sale. Put your perfume, do a little body oil, and then put your perfume in there. I'm telling you, your scent is going to last all day long. Get you a good body butter, lotion, or whatever the case might be, and put it inside of there. And I'm telling you, it's going to enhance that scent. It's going to make the longevity of that scent last so much longer. So tip number 2, you got to put your fragrance, don't be scared to spray your fragrances. You got to spray it. When I say I don't be shy with my fragrance, I'll just be I'm an oversprayer. I'm sorry. That's how I get my scent to last. But also, get you some perfume hair mist, or perfume mist, or whatever. Spray it in your hair. Spray it in your hair brushes. Brush your hair. Do all the things. I even go a step further and put it in my hand, like my perfume oils. Put it in my hair and scrunch it up in my hair, or put a little light in my hair. Yes, I do that, because your girl want to walk past, and you know how your hair be flowing and moving? I want you to get a whiff. And then also, I don't know if everybody else do it, but I know I do it. And I get a little bit of my perfume oil, put it in my hand, rub it together, and lightly pat it in my clothes. Not too much. Don't make sure it's too oily that it's going to stain your clothes, because I didn't tell you to do that. And if you get oil in your clothes, I didn't tell you to do that. I didn't tell you to do that, but I'm telling you, just lightly pat your clothes. Now, if it's a light color clothes, be very careful. And then certain type of material, be very careful. But what I do, I lightly pat my clothes, and the scent lasts all day long, because your scent is going to last in those fibers of your clothes and those fabrics. So I'm telling you, if you want your scent to last all day long, do that. I'm telling you, it's a game changer. Tip number 3, which I've already mentioned, is layer your scents. Layer your scents. I can't stress this enough. Your scent is going to last so much longer when you layer your scent. So when I say layer, like I said, get you a good body oil or body butter or body lotion, or you can, you know, pair it with the perfume that you have or body spray which you have, because Bath and Body Works have lotions to go with their sprays. So you can get a combo like that and then layer your scent as well as that way. But I'm telling you, layering your scent will go a long way, and it creates your own scent as well. Then everybody won't be having what you have on, because everybody layering combo won't be the same, and your skin gives off a different scent because you have your different scent in your skin. So your skin scent will be different from everybody else anyway. So perfume will be different on your skin than it would be on somebody else's skin. But I'm telling you, layer your scent, and you don't have to break the bank when it comes to layering your scents. I've shopped everywhere, and what I do is I do my highs and lows. I do some of everything. I put body sprays with my perfumes. I get my Arabic perfumes or my Middle Eastern perfumes and layer. Like, I layer my scents and I smell good all day. But I don't be shy when I spray either when I layer these scents, so you can't be shy about it. So tip number 4, please, I can't stress this enough. I see it a lot. Please do not store your perfume in the bathroom. That kills your fragrance. It makes it go bad faster with the humidity and everything of that nature with the bathroom. Please do not store it in the bathroom. Store it in a cool, dry, dark place. I keep my fragrances back here in my beauty room. As you can see, it is a window, but I do have blackout curtains, so I normally close them when I'm not in here, so it can be cool and dark in here. And that helps preserve my fragrances. But also, you see, my fragrances are not in front of the window. They're off to the side as well. So please do not store your perfume in the bathroom. I'm telling you, hold my hand when I tell you this. Don't do it. Don't do it. I've told my parents, my siblings, everybody, please do not store it, because it makes your perfume go bad super fast when you do that. So now I'm telling y'all, don't do it. So my last tip, which again, I think I mentioned this, but get into the Middle Eastern fragrances here. I'm telling you, you're gonna save a coin. But not only the perfume, get you a good Middle Eastern perfume oil. It's gonna change the game for real. They're so inexpensive, and you gonna get the most out of your money when you get you a Middle Eastern perfume oil. I can say the lowest I've ever seen them is like $5.99, $6.99. They are going to change the game for you, and they project. When I say they project, and they last so long on your clothes. Like, I put them on my skin, and of course, you know, when your skin rub against your clothes and everything else, or the tip I already told you, lightly dab. When I do that, it's hard to get them out my clothes. It's hard to get it out my clothes. So I'm telling you, get you a good Middle Eastern perfume oil. It's going to change the game. I have so many perfume oils. I think I did a perfume oil video on my channel already, so you can go back and look at that. And if you want some more suggestions or more perfume oils to get, I can definitely make a video for that. Just go ahead and leave it down in the comments. Let me know, because I won't know what to make for y'all if y'all don't tell me. But hopefully these tips helped you, because I know they helped me when I first started my perfume journey. I did not know these hacks. I did not know any of this stuff. So it definitely helped as along the way when I started getting into fragrance and just learning tips and tricks. It helped me. If you like these tips and tricks, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Do all of the things and share your girl out. Share it to all your friends, your family, everybody. Everybody needs to smell good all 2025. But anywho, I love y'all down. And if y'all want more videos like this, don't forget to leave it in the comments. Let me know what y'all want to see. But until next time, I will see y'all in the next video. Bye. Come back at 6, wake me and your child, and it won't lay today.